Well, folks, still feeding cows. The guy I've been feeding for, he's 3 weeks late. He was supposed to have been home on the 4th. Today's the 23rd. I finally heard from him yesterday, and he's supposed to be flying into Boise tomorrow and be home the next day, on Monday. So I hope he is. Things have kind of fell apart here. The cow that I worked so hard to get standing up on its own again, it was doing really good, and for whatever reason it just died. I have no idea why. Then one of these older calves, it was about 2 weeks old, it got really cold, and I took it down to a friend's house, put it into his hot box, which is basically a dog house that has a heater in it, and it wasn't doing any better, so we took it into the vet, and she put an IV in it and patched it up, and last night it died. I brought it back home, had a bunch of hay bales stacked around with the heat lamp, and things were looking pretty good, but it didn't make it. There was one right here yesterday that is gone. It wasn't looking very good, but it's gone, so hopefully it's out here someplace, alive and well, not dead. So I just got here. I haven't really had a chance to look at these yet. He's got 10 new calves, 9 now after the one died. But anyway, that's why I haven't got any videos done lately. It's been extremely busy. As soon as he gets back home, I plan to get some wolf traps back out, try to get back in the woods for something a little more interesting than feeding a bunch of cows. Oh, that little guy, he's doing pretty good. He just got up and stretched. I wish they would lay on the straw instead of out in the snow like that, but that's what they do. I'll drive down through here and see if I can count 9 calves, and hopefully there's nothing gone off in the brush and died. Okay, this is the one that was looking so poorly yesterday. Looks like he's still alive. Oops. Just popped the clutch. Luckily this cow's nice. Sometimes they're kind of unfriendly and try to kill you when you get close to their calf. Hey buddy, you doing alright? Come on, get up. Come on, up, get up. Get up. Get up. Come on. Well, it doesn't look too great, but sometimes they're just being lazy. Come on, get up. Get up. Get up. God. Come on, up. Up. Come on, buddy. How's your mouth feel? Yeah, he's warm. He's been drinking. Well, I'm going to turn this off. I'll move him. Well, actually, I can probably do it without. Yeah, I'm here. Look out, cow. Look out. Oops. Get him over here onto some cleaner straw where he's a little warmer. Right, come on, get up. Get up. Get up. There he goes. Yeah, he's doing good. Oops. That's a relief. I halfway expected him to be dead this morning. He was covered in about an inch of frost yesterday, and it got down to 5 below that night. Last night was warmer. I don't think it got down to more than about 10 above. So glad to see that. He's looking like he's doing fine. Well, anyway, we'll fire up the tractor and get these guys fed and get back to it. cow and calf. That's one that's a little more wild. I still have not seen the number on that one. Every time she sees me coming, she takes off through the trees and the brush and takes her calf with it. I don't want to chase him because that'll just run him away from the straw. So, I guess when the rancher gets back, he can deal with that one. Oh. Frozen cow pies make for a bumpy road. Looks like a new one. I can't read the number for sure on that cow. Let's see if I can zoom in a little closer. Can't really tell what that one is. Looks like he's doing fine. That little calf's got a bull for a buddy. He had his head up a second ago. Man, sorry about the bumps, guys. Oh boy. Well, I don't see any big problems, so go get them fed and get on out of here. Hopefully, I'll be about done with this. If he really shows up the way he says he will, I will be. So, getting awful tired of it. Thanks again for watching, and hopefully soon we'll do something a little more fun. Bye.